Bullish Nexo cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.09 and $6.73 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nexo could reach $3.09 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2022 is 54 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing because of the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked energetically to foster a unique digital currency that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood money. We should take a gander at the coin synopsis prior to getting into a complete value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by cryptographic forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt advance in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly set aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their financial balances. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The value-based scale. 2. Making it simpler for applications to flawlessly incorporate. The universe of installments has all the earmarks of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a beneficial venture decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction cash trades has been an unmistakable part of Nexo. Nexo central examination. Notwithstanding being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very powerless and, as other cryptographic forms of money, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a huge increment that recommended a critical degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Notwithstanding, it showed basically level force until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents. However, it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Out of the blue, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary standards showed lackluster showing, the Nexo cost showed solidness, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a huge expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As indicated by Nexo's own insights, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million endorsers overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of more than 40 huge cryptographic forms of money are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, XE, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is many times lower. Clients can acquire up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was delivering 7%. Nexo has noteworthy trust pilot evaluations. But there are additionally obviously a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. Nexo specialized investigation. The cost of Nexo has a splendid standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady, unwavering quality, the Nexo cost expectation appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost forecast, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many undertakings will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost expectation, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly long-term, as indicated by all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo current cost. Nexo is as of now worth 68 cents USD. Nexo has moved 11.92% as of now with an exchanging volume of $13,255,524. Nexo is as of now positioned 73 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $388,330,869 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Nexo value expectation 2023. In 2023, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.72. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.37 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.51. Nexo Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.40 and Nexo might benefit, on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.20 and a low of $2.06 in 2024. Nexo Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2025. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.09, with a base cost of $2.75 and a typical cost of $2.88. Nexo Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.57 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.43 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a most extreme value worth of $3.78. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.26. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.46. Neglecting to assemble the help Nexo needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $4.12. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $4.81 and a yearly cost close above $5.15 in 2028. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Nexo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $5.49 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.84, averaging out at $5.63. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Nexo cost in 2030 is projected to be $6.73 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of